Okay guys, if you want to do some indexing and pinging, a couple of ways that we can do this. You can put in the URLs just directly into the indexing and pinging tool in here, or we can just send to from the actual posting tools, the Web 2.0 and the social bookmarking one. Okay, so if you want to add in URLs that you've got from another software or Fiverr.com or something like that, what you can do is click up here to add, put in the links, one per line, click on add, and start indexing links from the top here. Okay, I'm going to clear this. Before I do actually, just have a look down here. You can see that it will show you the status according to whichever indexer you put in there. Okay, so the only one I'm using right now is Backlink's indexer, and I put in a couple of fake API keys for 1 hour indexing for link indexer when I did the tutorial video on the indexers or the settings. You can see the only one that's posted here is the Backlinks indexer. It will give you an update or a status report here. Okay, so let's come over to clear this, and I'll clear the pinger as well. Okay, so let's come over to the Web 2.0, and we got these accounts posted in here. If I click on send to, even with all this red one, it's only going to send the ones that have been successful. So all I need to do is checkbox all, click send to, and I can send to indexer. Okay, you can see we've got 61 URLs. So I've got 61 backlinks coming and 61 video embeds from Web 2.0, but the links are also coming into the YouTube video. Okay, so we can checkbox all one more time and start to index the links. Now again, it's going to work according to how many threads you had when you were doing your posting tool. So we have to give that some time to log into whichever indexing services that you have added. And you can see the task is completed really quickly because it logs in and adds the URLs into your dashboard within whichever account. You can see here backlinks indexer success, so it's added those links into the backlinks indexer account, and that will be getting indexed according to the settings that you have done within your indexing account within backlinks indexer or whichever one you want to use. Okay, in my case it's this one, and according to the settings I've got there, it will start to index those links doing whatever that particular product is doing. Okay, now these are kind of like backlinking products in their own right. A lot of these indexing services, okay, they've all got their own unique ways of getting your links indexed, and they're basically backlinking your backlinks. So they're kind of important. They're not too expensive. It does have a third-party cost because we're tapping into a third-party service, but they are worth doing just to get your links indexed. Okay. Now let's have a look at the pinger. So we'll do the same thing again. We'll come over here and we're going to click on send to pinger, and this works slightly different. You can see we've got those 61 URLs, and you can see it starts pinging straight away. Okay, we've got 5 threads working. So we just let that run and do what it needs to do, and you will get a pop-up at the end when it's finished, and all those links will be pinged using some third-party services, but these are kind of free tools that we just tap into, the web-based tools that we tap into. Okay, so all of them are getting pinged with Pingomatic, blog ping tool. There's a few of these ping sites, ping directory sites. Okay. The advantage of using pinging is because other search engines can pick up the links, okay, not just Google, because Google has already picked up your links if you think about it, because if you're using video, for example, for the Web 2.0, then YouTube is part of Google. Those get indexed almost immediately, or immediately actually. For the Web 2.0 embeds and for the social bookmarks, then they're getting crawled a lot, these kind of sites. Okay, but this just helps to get it indexed a little bit quicker. Okay, so when you're pinging, it's not just Google that finds the ping, that gets the ping. There's other search engines pick it up as well. Okay, so that's basically it. We will be adding some extra bits and pieces in here. Okay, we're not finished yet. This is just the first release. The main focus has been for the analytics for the email domain, but that's all the tutorials right now for Backlink Alpha. For strategy type of videos, go over to the blog anthonyhayes.online. There's a whole bunch of different tutorials using the Alpha SEO software tools that you can see, and plus there's a whole bunch of tutorials there that are not using Alpha SEO tools. So if you want to just get some SEO tutorials, good quality tutorials that are free, then go over there and you will be able to see the blog posts there, because often when I'm posting videos on YouTube, especially tutorials, I don't make the videos public. Okay, I keep them unlisted so that I get people to come into the blog. Okay, or rather people watching the content on the blog, where I can put some additional information, some resources, sometimes give away some free stuff according to the tutorial that I'm doing. And also there's some free tools that you can find on anthonyhayes.online as well. Okay, thanks.